YouTube. Tom here from Green Rhino. Doing some area rugs out of the local winery. So they're poly rugs, and you know, easy cleaning, except for the fact that you got a lot of browning. You're outside of rugs, so I'm assuming this is water stains. So what I'm going to do is, for my pre-spray, I'm going to use carpet detail, but I'm also going to add some of this Oxy Plus. Helps get rid of mild browning and brightens carpet. So hopefully this takes care of the browning in the carpets. Yeah, so I already mixed it up. Add this to a pump up sprayer. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is add this to my pre-spray, so it would be a additive to help take care of that. Stuff comes in a small bottle, but you only have to use 1 ounce per gallon, so it goes a long ways. All right, well, let's see how this turns out. It's not gonna be a really long video, but I figured since I ran into this issue that it's a good topic to hit for browning. What's up, guys? Just 1 second before the video starts, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. last one, they all came out looking great. All the brownies gone. One of the customers, manager that came by already said that it looks great. And honestly, I wasn't sure how good they were going to come out, but that Oxy Plus really works great. So it's really good to have that on your van for situations like that. Because if I didn't have that, they wouldn't have turned out so good. And there is one step that I didn't say in this. It's not a step, actually. Something that you need to make sure you do whenever you're cleaning area rugs, especially, but any rugs. I have a pre-spray over there that's a pH 10. I scrubbed and I extracted, but there's something I didn't talk about. So below in the comments, tell me what you think I left out. I'll check it a little bit later and I'll give you the answer. All right. By the way, I did do it. I just don't want to tell you. Please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. See you in this video.